My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an Ipsy Glam bag unboxing for the month of February. So I did upgrade to the Ipsy Glam bag X, but I have not received it yet. So this is just the traditional. I know, I wanted to receive it right now too, but what can we do, kitty? This is just the traditional $12 a month Ipsy Glam bag. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're so inclined, please subscribe. All right, so here is this month's box. It is red with little gold lips. And then on the back, it says sealed with a kiss with a little postage. I think that's really cute, really appropriate for February. So let's see what I got in here. So the theme is send love. Okay. Yes, baby. So the first product is this Naked Cosmetics Vanilla Cream Lip Scrub. I actually bought this as an add-on a while back, and I really do like this lip scrub. Let's see, this is a deluxe sample. The full size is $11.99, and I think it does a really good job of exfoliating your lips, and yeah, but also hydrating them at the same time. Here's what it looks like. All right, the next product is this YC Collection Loose Setting Powder, 117. So I have so many setting powders, I'll probably put this in a giveaway. But this is a deluxe sample. Retail for full size is $12.99, which is not bad. All right, next we have this Eyeshadow Galactic Lid Gloss Zodiac. Can you see this? So this is a shimmery cream eyeshadow. Is Zodiac the color, I'm guessing? Okay, so the full size retails for $19. Let's see what this baby looks like. The only thing that I really know Eyeshadow for is their mascaras. So let's see about this, because I have very high expectations when it comes to my liquid and cream eyeshadows. Ooh, oh my god. Holy look at it before I blend it out. Can you see that? Oh my god. No way. Holy. Whoa. That is insane. Oh. I almost want to put some on top of this just so you can see. I don't even know if you'll be able to see though because of the lashes. Wow. Okay, damn, I see you. I was so not expecting that. Whew. All right, the next product is this Pixie by Petra Endless Silky Eye Pen in Black Blue. Yeah, black blue isn't really my color, so this will be going in a giveaway as well. And the last product is this Basic Beauty tweezers. So this is full size, retails for $20. Ooh, I got pink tweezers. I needed a new pair of good tweezers. Okay. I like it. besides the eyeliner, I think this is a really good bag. All right, let me know what you guys think about my bag, and let me know what you got in your Ipsy bag for February. All right, guys, I love you. I will see you in my next video.